In a world searching for hope, God has raised up a people, chosen, anointed, and called, to be his holy messengers. At God's holy messengers, we speak as messengers approved by God, entrusted with the good news. Our purpose is not to please people, but to please God, the one who examines the motives of our hearts. We go, as Jesus commanded, to make disciples of all nations, baptizing them in the name of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. We serve in the spirit of excellence, with integrity and with compassion, reaching the lost, healing the broken, ministering with dignity, serving with love, proclaiming the gospel to the ends of the earth. We are the messengers of God. We stand for purity, righteousness, and holiness. We are restorers, reclaiming what the enemy has stolen. We believe the kingdom of heaven is near. Jesus Christ has given us power and authority to cast out demons, to cure diseases, to heal the sick, to bring light where there is darkness, and to proclaim that Jesus is coming soon. We live by values that shape us: prayer, worship, the word, fellowship, and holiness. We are committed to influencing generations by the power of our vision, being accountable in every word, every action, treating each other with dignity and respect, encouraging personal growth by developing and empowering our people, improving the organization by strengthening ourselves, work in unity, and leaving a legacy of hope, of faith, and promise for generations to come. Be holy, for God is holy. This is God's holy messengers. Join us as we proclaim his word, live in his power, and carry his presence to the nations.